Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee Espresso Machines. Today we're testing this DeLonghi Magnifica espresso machine, and we replaced this entire generator assembly. This is the old one. Pretty beat up. You can see it's rusted and leaking. And but now we got a new one in and working great. So let's go ahead and pull a test shot. We get a nice shot of espresso, and then let's make some steam. We get nice strong steam. So thank you for pairing with Kanen Coffee. Please like our videos below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, subscribe to our channel. And if you'd like notifications, hit the bell. Thank you.